Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. To pair smartphone with the car via Bluetooth, let's go to Car and Settings. Bluetooth, pair new device, and now on your smartphone enter Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone from the list and now confirm pairing. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.